Students, next we will go for the another problem infix also. So what is the infix format? So let us will see that infix format. uh, Find the ordered rooted tree representing the compound proposition. So for example, this is the compound proposition we are getting. So then use this rooted tree to find the prefix, postfix and infix forms of this expression. So we'll use that one expression, and all the three prefix, postfix and infix formats of this expression we will see. Now you can observe prefix means pre-order traversal you have to use. Postfix means post-order traversal you have to use. Infix means in-order traversal you have to use. Okay, so there is a major thing here. Now the rooted tree for this compound proposition is constructed from the bottom up. First subtree for negation P and negation Q are formed. Okay, so you have to observe here negation P or negation Q is there in the bottom up. Then first negation P, negation Q, there is the innermost bracket you can observe. So there you have to first form there. Okay, also a subtree for P and Q. A subtree for P and Q we have to form. Now what is P and Q? You can observe here how we have to look into the expression. If you look into the expression, negation P, negation Q, you have to form these two. Then again P and Q you have to form. So that is the major thing here formed. Then subtrees for negation of P and Q. Of course, after that negation P or negation Q, like that one you have to format. Okay. Mm. Then for subtrees for negation of P and Q and negation P or negation Q are constructed. So finally these two subtrees are used to form the final rooted tree. So the steps for this procedure are formed like this. Now in the first step, in the first observe, uh, we have to form P and Q. So we can see here clearly P and Q is formed. Okay, subtree. And after that negation P, negation Q are formed. Okay, then we are combining this one. Observe P and Q. For this one negation is there, so negation is the root for that one. So negation P and Q. And for if you come here, negation P, negation Q is there. For that one R is the root here. So negation P or negation Q, like that you have to represent here. So negation P or negation Q. Okay, so like that here we are representing. Okay, so this is the major things you have to observe here. Then all these are combined with leftmost to rightmost. Observe negation P and Q, then negation P or negation Q are combined like this. So if and only if, that is the main root here. Okay, so this like this the expression we have to form here. So you can observe this clearly. Then for this expression, the prefix, postfix and infix forms of the expressions are found by traversing this rooted tree in pre-order, post-order and in order, including parentheses respectively. So these traversals are given by like this respectively. Now first of all in C you can see in pre-order. Pre-order means you have to visit the root first, then from left to right you have to visit the subtrees. Then you can observe from direct from the tree, root is first. Root means main root is if and only if, then negation, then and, then P Q, next R, next negation P, next negation Q. So like that you have to visit, that is pre-order. Okay, then this expression is post-order expression. So observe from the tree. So observe from the tree. Then post order means, what is the post order here? You can observe root you have to visit at the last from After that you have to visit the subtrees from left to right. Now you can get how we will get this one, you can observe here. In the bottom, post order is there, I mean post order, postfix is there, postfix format. Now from the tree how we will get this one, you can observe here. So root is last. So if and only if negation, and then go for p first. So p q and negation, then left side. Okay. R is there, and here negation is there, and p, then so start with the p negation, q negation, R if and only if, like that you have to go. Observe how we will go. P q and negation, p q and negation, then p negation, q negation, R if and only if, like that you have to go. Then in order notation. Okay, so how we will go this one, that means in order, that means nothing but infix notation. Okay, so how we will go in order notation, we will take from left to right. Okay, left one, then visit root, then right one, like that you have to go. So how we will go, left one p and q. So first we will go for the left one. So left one is nothing but negation of p and q, negation of p and q, if and only if negation p or negation q, like that. Okay, so that is called infix notation. Okay, so then how we will see this one. So this is the main thing in prefix notation, in order notation. Okay, thank you.